Is that when Ken became Minister of Finance in 2017, I heard him on the TV. He was talking and he was saying that protecting the national coffers. Now, the promise and the achievement, the gap is too big and I need more explanation. I think that's it. But all I know is that you were going to protect the national coffers and they are now empty. Whether they were empty at that time or not is neither here nor there, because you were not going to be protecting the empty thing. You were going to protect it and make sure that everything that comes into it henceforth is going to be well husbanded, and we will not sort of reverse again. It's been very disappointing, and the fact is whether it is Colonel Foriata or if it was somebody else.
Executive President. Omani na penye odan. Anna obaye wan ka bibia anya political platforms so krampo do obaye. Anna o kire say this ade aye be ni peri na wa wi aso obi aba. Awe da mu esa amrantie no maburu na amoye yi na no mu na de bia ye be ka kire mu nya abotre. Mu empanifo ni o man mu a de bia meka asamba na yesi ye koka pa ye yi a yesi ye kwa ko hu abrewa. Ye nka say ye go hu mu no na muguo na muti aye ye se nkube na muguo no. Nyamu na yesi ye ko hu mu o. Yesi ye kwa ko hu abrewa no eye pemi ya wanyina nyini ya bibi holi tiri ye kwa ko hu no. Mu so mpanifo wo kuro mu nyina na mo de their policies nti now president mani ya political importance bi aye ya anya political rally anya hwe na anya munya abotre mu hia na mo ye mo no ma na mu meye mu mpanifo na ya say policy nti na so na de obi atem democracy na ba ozo obi ye bie na o se mpanifo so ye anya possible say be jai man kwara no mu ho amai mu hu ye na ma wa mo chance
under judgment the cause na just obi a woni ani I just obi a woni spiritual discernment wo Ghana man penye ono a woni krom a wako program aye bi tutu da under judgment ni kru aye ma onyame abufu hyew na aba won so ade na nya wo bia na okofa sa na tie wo kum nipa nwotwe ade tumi ufi so beva won wadi ozo bode bo ana awai se omu hudi omu ye o ma mo nsa so ye ne ye so fa because penye boni bedi o man so a o man ne bre en ye sa na tie o e won kai bible Old Testament no emre bia o hene boni na wo David akodi ni boni onyame de ho aso twe ma Israel David ma o ye census ma ye kan Israel for brosam ne ma ne ye so na David ni when onyame de aso twe ne ko so o kum Israel for not say mo and that is it until we kick out these things.
It's a matter of life and death. They said it already. They said all die be die, and they are acting out and living the reality of the all die be die. And so we are not going to joke, and I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot. And NDC is a democratic party, and that's why we abide by the rules of the Constitution. But the same Constitution says that Ghanaians should resist anybody who attempts to subvert the Constitution. And when you go rampaging with forces and intimidating people when they should come out and vote, you are subverting Ghana's Constitution, and we have a right to resist you. But I just want to sound a caution that NDC has revolutionary roots, and that when it comes to unleashing violence,
everybody is chasing their interests. 3, dealing with politicians is like sleeping with tigers. You must always have your eyes wide open. 4, and this is one of my favorites. In any political equation, there's always someone being used.
Ahaya jinkwa wazo 1.9 ka sevije zo mpesu aso ti se dwumedie na no pay yesin konwa ye de esumwe na yenko yanye yaboafo nkrato ne mbra ye ba ye beto aso kai sa haya jinkwa wazo 1.9.
He wants. What's the wedding easy? Oh, you butu ankasa.
Missy, Lufat na wajima where you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. Jama wedding where your hospital.
Sister, where I imagine there, few hours to my wedding. No Missy Semu whom I yeshepe. Minketa was a mikunia. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jama Tornado. Nabas no yen.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
No, Nabas one for ambulance no one.
Up ambulance. It's not a bicycle. Hey,
no, nothing from Kakabo.
No, kick. Many wedding gonna me make up Nina. Sometimes nearest pharmacy. So one meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for malaria druna.
Inyo. No ye na wanter. Mukuno china nenadri. A brantepa.
No kuniso. No pona waka that you may kiss the bride. If you want to show day.
No donna. Man on your donor.
Indeed, woman malaria and kawon to them. Lufat. Malaria drop test for malaria before treatment. FDA ashesa egede inkratoi ajatum se eye.
Obiara ribisa. Neda me shiva. On a pay me yan wasn't brodo. Me see all your alternate. Fatigue in a fever. So on a pay me repisa. Me see all your alternate. Malaria. Then mo general body pains. But I'm free sick of alternate. Everything be alternate. Take off in be the ultimate, no martinate. Malaria fever, no martinate. Nimu fatigue in a headache, no martinate. Weja wuna miyaw, no martinate. Pastor na lawyer, no martinate. Presented fuka, no martinate. Kaya yo you follow them, no martinate. Mano mede, also no martinate. Yo, no martinate. Malaria fever, no martinate. Nimu fatigue in a headache, no martinate. Weja wuna miyaw, no martinate. Pastor na lawyer, no martinate. Presented fuka, no martinate. Kaya yo you follow them, no martinate. Mano mede, also no martinate. Yo.
Rose, Frekitra ni video man nebi sasa ayefro no hyehyɛ no asisen.
Bra, wo so abremu. Sanya manko ne kwaware ebre. Oyiri we die sa otiwa ni hwɛ ne pa.
Ye di machi so papa. Aka 2 days pe na wedding ye duru so. Ɛna
hwɛ G-Code relief tablets ibinum na ho ntɔ wontem. Wetimi ama iri wedding case. I don't know.
Cold relief.
Pepo so no kokoko. Etimi a wankitenkete. Uchimu yo dududu. Ana hwene mu so ne nsu ana so hwene mu asi. Cold relief. Ebe relief wo ama ho atɔ wontem so.
Cold relief. Semanhia wa enkambetra oba we hu saa so mo agam hɔ akɔ.
Awari so.
Don't know.
Ubenya cold relief for pharmacy bi eben wo mu. Etufonko Tobinco Limited Kumasi Sports Stadium echi. YF Brono no so. Telephone 051 389 66. Cold relief.
A relief mentam so.
Foligo capsules ni syrup your multivitamin fofra. Ejema mo fani penina. Iron, zinc, copper, folic acid, vitamin B6 nutrient ashimuma. Foligo brama oxygen aye chuko yemuno. Eje dwuma ye na honam no so nya hode a ehwehwe. Foligo syrup de deda malt ne ewowo ne jama mofra. Foligo blood bonding nutrients so won ne pama bonifo. Oni ketufo ni obi a wayare na ho to no.
Yankase.
FD ahwehwe sɛ gyedi nkratu mu agya tum sɛ yɛ
Bema, na dia one pound and in Sweden will say.
Minyaba, Minkosu saying, acquire contractors, Binum Edemia fast one, or my from Misikina, a better than Enkojansu.
An idea about a construction worker, a Dumako Bakope, a MCL construction services. One more bet me a war, Emma Odino, wait me a cynic kama. So what to assassin, now a surveyor, I'll bet me a hair to assassin, nothing was saying a Hunkata Semina Mawa, a MCL. Ebiana was dine dada na ope plumber so betimi aye wonsuo samo toilet ama wa ningina fadan MCL afa kitchen no ye besisi ne kama de ama electrical works ningina ye jemu e de ama MCL afa MCL construction besan ahwe wonum a omodan ensuo ama hu adwiridwiri ningina nso e de ama mo ebiana nkwankra anase hotel edumako awodo a mo pese wonum ye renovation mamo no akonya wo hosa edan no fina hyase kosi na wie ye de eye MCL construction services and I was so the dying won
Wa wo kasa asem we say atre me de na tre se omudi ni krampa we de atwa mo echi akwan
hwehwe we echi akwan waso ye kese no ewo Wuniba na Nanom School Junction ewo nkran kwan so sanso na abehu on Waterkrade Cape Coast Kumase Accra La Paz Akoteman na fei Achem Akroso obetimi ni won edi nkomo ewo 0244843480 na fei 0541578297 and 0202282888. MCell Construction, we build your dream into reality.
I get wings to fly. Oh, I'm alive.
Sorry, dear fa. One kasa with the huahua uhu. Musha me skin. Ama me sha taria memrekra. Nyamisho Skin City Laboratorium at the pa and the tono. Ye hyperpigmentation and a hypopigmentation. And no ye the wa would be a worry dear nenia. Skin City pair and a bit me a year free home. Malesma, a yen nem so pay a woman named Sam Ben a reasha show freckles and then in kick a home. And no dante ye can be acne. Acne a pimple a bunny penny. A bit yasu. Ye were ititosis. And what one say now on Sakao skin now. Well, Felisa skin rare fish, a rare home. Senior and a white dot and a patches about DNA. Ubonso Boa with DNA now, Munum said the Yabu plates, and our guidance, and a keratosis, and also a strawberry. Strawberry, not by a Sawuja Coca, said the Aqua, what see a Simon Kadamkademono, and your anti-aging facial creams, and no SCS or wrinkles, and many Pedriana Sunny for fair, and yes, also will be worried, was canning ye. A yes, Skin City Laboratorium pet, and a mecan for the amount. And ye what dry dark knuckles, and no air will search ye tuntum, what must be in a color for pa. Now, so in search ye nama, I feel ye what dark neck, or come say no, now ye tomb, and ye was severe dry skin, ye was severe oily skin, and a damaged skin repair. When it was swassa, a yes, Skin City Laboratorium pet, and a mecan for the amount. Facial and body waxing, a bab wow. So, Skin City Laboratorium, my chapanya, ye was so quarrimampo, affordable house in Shani Mupe, for 0248 936297 0248936297. Oh, but Joe, so I do my phone and him to say. When you go.
Na yadi ready and cat to Abaya Jinkwa 101.9. Casa video so Mamin come full liberty of hope and for amount. I don't pay Abusia Yadia. Ya. I'm a man once say a yadia or Bibenyawa. There is I decree I can't and once me. Now, we are dear no. A drooping wow, Bettia, unto one among. There's walk and contu friend quancro. We uncle liberty of hope and inti and what you say a dear no. And call a beco. Say soon for say when I'm film. The Yan is a what one among. I call liberty of hope. I try you. Soon more how bay, what I assume yet. Soon we are what they soon to move off a phone wow. And as if what you must say, we seek ourselves and quay, what dear crown a guano. Would this year be sabe, or common BB, Ama, Denu, and so, and as will be crowned a baby BDIanwa, Fenia Abedani, liberty of hope near Yahuduma, and for a mom. O kidney was sabo and a waka, the sell to an among, diabetes, diabetes, a sitia, a heady paduano. Now, be able to do one once ye. A tinny idea about so I was also so a cry. And unti and a liberty of hope, a war, Emma war. Now, I will be sassy or him, ye were a Jemesu ICS gas filling station or a Jemesu ICS gas filling station. Or was a quantum ponoso, a hawk and a liberty of hope. Now, Yameso for Trans, brother no panusia, a brother no panusia, bia or Transi. Na wahwehye blem esa nyamema ene Ghana fo nya yade memenda so anopa no nsia saa wasa transe udu Ajemesu ICS gas filling station wa eho ena liberty of hope ewa wonmo ye adwuma fra wonmo 0598 2977 67 0598 297767 ofre ne a ye beje so MCell Construction Limited. MCell Construction Limited. Your free will see a time and a yen. Abusian said, ne, Sika Wadney. Tis what don't for you, I don't know to me to as I say. Now, open say, O boss say, and now Patabisua. And Franco Mark Yadno, the baby yet, you know. A Danis war, no word in Chichi. About pa. Now, MCell, dear, ya the modern technology apefo kwan so ene ye fa this dan ebi a wusu se wasase ni so dampon se ne bekoso ya the apefo bebam amedan ye bekoso no kra no wo bedwuru wasase ne wun se ya abo e ya abodwura ho ye nsuo fani nya beda mcell ya ye bi pen ye betumi asa ye bio abanso na apeso osi apartment offices anase factory nyinya no ye beyo e di amam eba plumbing works installation pa de ebi adroben no e wo ho dada na ye dada ye meyi mfafo from bra ana afei na wasi fie no kwa wi a ye de bebem electrical installations enhoma na wo fie no so no ache ene dodo na fie hihye wo munwuma e hihye won mu refisa na enhoma no edu bebi a wo so osesa no ye beba abesesa afei no wasi fie no a ye de foforo beba begum amam eba renovation and maintenance ebi ason da bi wo pese mu bie mu pese mu siesie court da bi kemoson da bi suku bi asopiti bi a nyinya prama bi ye beba be ye kama everything construction there mcell na ewo ehonim die no painting ye beye na tiling and pop ye nyinya architectural drawings ye beye e de amount enunti bibini a freyen 0244 84 3480 0244 843480 now says 0541 5782 97 ofra mcell yabejo so Facebook no mcell construction limited yesi ebebo amoni so adi hu ewo adansie mu no etumi abem promotion ya make am wasem every Prestige Electronics wonu ne yebo ho de ro edi amount abusia ene we se meton home appliance we se meton da bi o nya ba bia ne ekoto ade o pe papa no atwa wo de wani be che Prestige Electronics ho na wo pe TV set papa ne bo no so ewo from gas cookers home theater fridges deep freezers and ketwa ani akese enyina wo benya bi ewo Prestige Electronics ne wo display fridges for drinks soundbar wo dem wo be de o ken mu be de asonfo a mo pe vidie e de atuntum nyankopon mo fa moni enche Prestige Electronics washing machine ye will be air conditions ye will be popcorn machines and a home theater na ye ho no oto ade no na ye san achewade e de api so oto ade na ye betumi am kettle iron blender rice cooker toaster and pen drive umpewe na apede asem de wo mu woni se okoto ade e free Prestige Electronics e ho a okoto ade e ho a ai ye de ekokojao so wokumazi kopon mu a ye sama wa fe baako se ehwo techima fabla yensisi fama ye wo Abreport Junction shipum ho ene wa ye adwuma freye 0553 31 94 55 0553 31 94 55 and 0243 41 48 22 Prestige Electronics was a chede papa efie ene ho na fofo no bluesy spiritual and herbal center enei was yen kan kire wo se yade be na etete wo abrabo no a uhu ni saa no de ani hu de asote enye saa na tie bibi wo ho a uhu no ye bibi wo ho a wonte ye yen kan kire wo enunti ene wadwuma sem enkoyie enunti na apeso otukwan a enye yie ya funi akura wunya bie na ade awoba wo japade wo beje ade afi unsem nya kwa esraw ye ja fie sika odasani se wo mawuntu furniture na nafofo no buluzi ye wo pechi number 2 oboase kwantempon no so pechi number 2 oboase kwantempon no so ho ne ebutu a ye ye adwuma wo ba fra ye anopai e wo sa mabofo iso 0245 16 78 57 0245 167857 and I say 0550 154438 0550 154438 ofreya na nafofo no bluzi ebeje osom ma memfa nko offenso na monzongo ho na alhaji CDB owo alhaji CDB anopai akraya chiawo san said ne waboa me dipato do no a obo okra o kenkan ade a no anse kikia wo hunu he ene sa afo no tu anamom ekọ Alhaji Sidibe dakate no wotimi kenkan enwoma bia sentro ye ni susua se soso wotimi kan wona no wo ohwe ade a ohun na chichichi ana eben wo mo wona wo hu nipa se sunsum ene Alhaji Sidibe adaroma ni nyakọ etu woni no eyete na asisuo oposa wani no ana ase asa anwa de egu wani so da bia wani punusuo esa se de nwusie ana jene afọ ni so eyo ha wani nankasa timi yo ya yemfa se kan yemfa paso kan ene yemfa pa ne enwo eye yani a obo ade nsa no nyusi ni nunu abeya na watre ye ene de ye adwuma utu ofenso na mozongo ba bia nkremofo asonda no wono a wo se o hwe Alhaji Sidibe papa na wo ye ni ho aduro no obi abechew enam so se animu de o sunsum ntino ade bia fe sunsum nsem bia no so wo sa hwe ka ho asem se akontusem sa wade ne nkoye adwuma sem na ase ya fanyia yade na abeto so Alhaji Sidibe obeje so obefre na no pay 0266 66 66 68 0266 66 66 68 ofra no a Alhaji Sidibe obeje so anopay na wahwe na de ha bia no wone wo adiniye won mu enekura yemu anopay yesi nkunya na yadom pesu aso ti se dwumadie yade esom wo na nsem do a edika ne ditie na anopay ye ne wo ebedi ho enkomo enya ntia se Dr. Kwabradufo wo tu anamom ekokofa the krata chese wonu na nisuade hu ekuta no se obetu franka obegiremu de ama NDC amiko no wontwe ensan yeguso ye hwe se yebenya panifo na ye no wono madi nkomo efa saa ensem no enso eho make out say yes to me live we in Facebook page no aya Ajenkwa FM Kumase 101.9 Ajenkwa FM Kumase 101.9 YouTube aya Ajenkwa FM live YouTube Ajenkwa FM live okohwa obehye obelike na wa comment na wiase nyaso ate wonka ya na ye ho na yemra
to some kakre wa supreme yo kofi o man ya woman o man ya mama kenyi baby ako wacha za ya wareni bonsom wanini pa asa de pa wo fio ye demo embera ye ebe ya efina o man ya woman o man ya mama na adi wa ye no ra nyami cha Shira, Omani Paya, the Foa, and Yanum. Afanya Misroya, Jumana, Yami Besrayan, O'Brien, Boya, and Moya Murae, Abeya, Frianara, Amabaya, Frianara, Yanoma Pofo, Asitrebaya, Frianaro, Amabaya, Frianara, Adije, Yamoya Murae.
Yes, I'm a pepper. Na abusia yanko na sedi nya ne dia se nra Dr. Kwabranfo ekofa ne krata no yene kasama for kasadema Dr. Kwabranfo enkodi nkomo wona wo boa no ma nani suade hunu etumi abamu se obetu franka ede ama NDC amekuo no yewura Alex Frimpong ewa ahman so a yene no eni nkomo miwura Alex Frimpong wote nka me mo achim wakwa aba haya agenkwa wazo 1 pon na kasafidie so asante mantem kumasi
Ediana me do so now etcha na enkenka past members or more account yetcha na me ka sem ano pay we interview akoma so mi answer akoma no se de Ediana ba
Mira Alex, I would say you would down work a crama ania. As I know, we need to get to Granty, what J. and Sassy.
Me pacho na me say that the chow will and can for more something. A mobibia. In fact, you're at the or say a now for Bonnie, our Bonnie, and I said that. NDC party members wake up and we are sharp and party members are in fact born a children or more than or more move or more said or more man hold on walking in any case after that walking in what
sase no na homa no popo kakra yenhwe na yensanfa no emra so bio ensam na woka no na yentie ni ye pa nura na Dr. Kwabranfo wo bo anai ekofa krata no chese afedie wo ye bema onsinsuom ansa na waham eblanu a enie a wono so aduru no so na yensan hwe se yewura Alex Frimpong ye besa ensa be kan biwa hello Mira
Ediana
aha boy
madase ana faida Ediana wele se hukumio
ya sum Ghana ebende
no se kan hobi na me kama no biso na me ka se enchia kese na de ma NDC omo wi asafa na nyina enkenka omo asante mantemu Yura Dr. Kwabranfo say enano pay akoko boni a edi kan na oboni ye no na seda na ode ma omo enam ade form be ma no enra no na asmo kanyina say esie ni kaja eni aseda na nkomo kakra bi ono mu di ye enra ebra omo baaye no oso omo bo so be ye ne sa pepepe ni aka ne say nyina be kan bom ni aye adwumaden na yetimi aboa na ni so ade hu abam na yenim say on the 13th of May no NDC delegate omunye mistake obeto abama yura Dr. Kwabranfo am na ba be kandini na 2024 or the akọ general election akọ dinkunim amaye enti anotay de ye den chia kese enemo bibia
yo yura yenya ntia se enura Dr. Kwabranfo tu anamo ekokofa ne forms enukura be ne was ansem no na hwan ye di animu ekofa forms
I don't know about your dancing. And of course, in Yura Dr. Kwabranfo, or your national headquarters, as you echo fan in Qatar. And she said, 24 years, say presidential candidate in India, on member head office, I called the general secretary of the party, a Rafifi Kote, as you na ọmụ akwaje ọmụ nkrata and mekai pa say the national chairman can or can say it was so free the general secretary no nsem and I say obia what designated no nsem no was free the science you could do many dear to the pa na me make sure say baby I general the right source and the no you could find nkrata na ya papa no nhye mu no wọ́n náà dùn sẹ́ ọ̀nùwà nkasa ẹ̀nà nanka ọkọ̀ headquarters wọ akọ̀fà nkrata no efiri sẹ́ ẹ̀yẹ dayẹ̀pá a ọ̀sán yẹ nananom bẹ́ sọ̀n no twẹ́dí àpò nyankopɔn ẹ̀bọ́ n'akyi dɔm na ɔkae no na ohun sẹ́ ẹ̀brẹ́ n'aso nti ọ̀sọ̀ ọ̀sọ̀rẹ́ na ɔbɔ ne ho so na ɔbɛdi ndc amanyɔkuo n'anim na ɔba bɛgye tumi ɛwɔ npp hɔ na wɔtumi buama ghana nkyɛkyerɛ ɛkɔ nkan efiri sẹ́ wayɛ bi pɛɛ no saa na nanka na ɛteɛ. Into no and then 3 days and I'm remember the Kumase. Bedroom kind, sorry. Yes, say any mono. Now for course any supporters and on person or would dinner and then call the headquarters no. Now say na Ojin baby ana end. And penfo can say Mr. Penny ni crown or abate. You name game ni nyansam unusa on one forms now or quackofano, anyone can say a delay party activities because ye libre. Say, or the Nipado don't call na control no Anthony Amwa, I'm a party Nijumedian uncle so not a tribute this time, be Bianco Metina as at that time. Omutu the Cosetta for Fra now I'm one party no. On also no Danny Den and the Dyson is a party at the Concan, the big flat doom aquadum. And upon second thought, no, Tim no strategize. Any yan say any young chemu last 2 minutes elko no mon konko fan kratano emra. If the team will call party head office no, many can only decide delegation no. Any ankasa ya mame na enye onwase ya mame egeso ena owo. Ya mame Gloria Huzi. One ya Ashanti Regional Woman Organizer. On the D13 at the core party headquarters, Eco Fan Katano. Omo Fan Katani Vieno. The second team, a Honana Meme Warrior, Dr. Conrado 14. No. The arrangement, any near Mammy Gloria, who's the team. No. Then Neko Siawo, Nasia, West Yes, your Honwa, your Kama Honor, the Bayan campaign office. A wo shoot. A Honor Coco Sia, or Codia and Kratan, or Yamami Gloria, who's and some Nahon Nakonia. At the Assamba community eto etitafo any nipado do mo free baby bebre eba de hia no be born a freedom no wo de to omanim e ka kire mo say in fact nkomo no mo di ye na mo so no atra na ti say ebroni ni say onkonko fan krata no mra magye mfi this economic hardship mu no wo tu sa na mo no obesro mu nyina ho say omumta na ti mo na di ekidom na omummo mpaipa ema no na muntu ya otu no enye nkunimdie na ono so se omba se omu omanimu aseda entisa na enna yedwumadie no ekoyeye omo ahokofa nkata no party office no enipa na odi anim ye Gloria Huzi ye wie ne yekọ ne campaign team office no ehọ no na okoje nkata no fi ya maami Gloria Huzi nsem na ono so de nsem ba akumienu bi eto wona obesia no na oye wadwin so ba bo na chidom enim minua
yo Mira yenas ya misa say why Gloria Huzi and we di animu ekokofa forms edema Dr. Kwabena Dufo
edi kind no medase yes yeah to say the work no ya mami Gloria Huzi the first thing was ye nyina ye fe say o qualify obeto abani bi mentwe nkwachira minia I am National Communication Officer. And I will be specific. One of your sister stations, Unia, on a Captain Smart interview, Obusan say between all the aspirant on Mbaye, Franka to former NDC, no. Why not Ususu say and Kian Fanenko? Or Cindy Premudie, Obenya and Kian Fire Papa John Dramani Mahamanko. Now, democracy in Tino, there should be contest. Nema ne National Woman Organizer. Yama Miru the Hana Bisu. or not the Captain Smart, the same platform now, sir. On to declare say, on any day, any time, or support you have a John Dramani, Mahama. Your evidence, the videos are there. We have a lot of regional executives, sir. Omu post to Yapa John Dramani Mahama. Our trust no contest on the post. We have the screenshot, the evidence are there. Yes, part no, and she said, whatever two Jana. Nanka Yenu Biano, any whole point say, Omutini declare almost stands on one reason. Say, me, Asante region. Nama kofa form, step by the Jina. Nasa, assuming. Regional chairman, declare the support, the ama different candidate here. Me baba tuna, and found a reception or the money. It will be assumed say why name work paso. And not party ni say you know. Or my executives for more declare almost stands. But on several occasions, they're not national offices, they're not regional offices, they're not constituent. Let me go to Israel, so chairman fire. On any day, any time, what platforms I'm recording, one of the platforms will take. What declare the support? Many Mianka say, the quiet communication officer. You could see how take platforms. Okay, say, or no, and they will declare this. Oh, and to know, say, Obi, your margin say, Mono or Matria, not part in the year, channel question. It's the other fan, it's our poor bunny, and no one can better. And so also our idea. Even a say young cry say, I want to be a message in the master and if I couldn't church them, Gentia, there be one M1, them Omra Mekaya home. Nayan to about my candidate, only a downfall. You come at the to know one or one. There is nothing wrong. And they say, and now, Yamami Gloria and Susan and say, on dear, upon listening to all the aspirants. Yellow talk about for anyone who is there, and this will be who, and then a records, and an achievement, and the person way, you know. Or then away the easier and the best candidate I had not contested this NPP candidate now. You bet me really power is a dinner is quite. Nasa and not your cut on a boja. Near getting in and say the young man and quiet. So you do the bridge and so we will cross it.
Okay, that's a Mammy Gloria who's a Equijamwa, Nanyam Fonsobia.
And a big kind says, part needs to say, yeah, with the buyer, Nanka and Mawamukwan. But on several occasions, a bit more yebi. Nanka, as you are couldn't see a baby besides no. But other Twaba, a year at the Mawo candidate, say, what's the baby or Sandy Pan and Tunenchene? Chene Brown change. Na a church and you didn't when I was what the work. So I know they are fine. Now, as Duncan, I'm Mr. Sandy Pano, or no, yeah, or no moment that Joe can't pay your amount. So I know I'm not doing so you can't force him. They will nip up the video one, you can campaign to them. And to say, a minimum year, near to say, and no, dear, and next year, I don't know, who's the Duke to Sanamona, said the young Nayaka. And to say, son on person or Mumia Kwana, Yabeka, Emma Ghana for every. At the time, I'm not feeling bad, say. So, and Papa John Dramani Mahama, who support the candidate Diana. Now, yes, the devil in NDC. And when the time comes, you bet church remove. And now your core program, you are best. You're not Papa to you didn't come from Pong. I am not going to leave any one stone. I will tell the delegates, and when I tell the delegates, I know Ghana for once better. The reason why I'm met and also Modemeko. It is a bit in chain. Now I say, Nema Kofa forms now, Mimi, Maniswa Dihunu. Mrs. Samina met me abua and this no man Ghana. Mammy can't be in Tia Mo Farming Qua, not the Nipan Peno, now I hear. And to Minia, you do well, you're not crossing the road.
You're right, you do Timuno, as you say, Cassiano.
Oh, in fact, then I am office holders, media campaign started that. But office holders announced campaign team in general. Obetini are launching now almost from a Koya Jumano. So are converting every. Not party system or Mama Nakonya. Next month, March, the better material forms. vetting time beba April no movie that na reading now. Into official campaign be list ban say obia timi ekoye campaign. Na bom mpempran komodie ni de ye di ni say na ni swade fu ni part ni ma me kwan a na ba na me ma de kasa. Into they say the ahochire na odo ahochire chire nkakra sanity.
Mira Alex Pepon we ya the permanent for bedasi. So the brain that the and watch semu the actually the can for the best me on come
ni am so that na me come hopa
Mira Alex Pepon ya ko the na ye no edi enkomo anamontu a Dr. Kwabnado for etu ye no ho ensem na ye ko ya watch semu edi akire ye no se party dan kasa nhye mu de na makwan se obi executive ko yi nanim so odi obi anim na akwa krata beti bia ye eti se ma me no ye ya bia ye na wo kan na se party eyen hyehyɛ ya because NPP be ko mu contest no
okay
you mu national executives no directives by say ma obi anya campaign obi executive yeah but ebi aye campaign no wabla party no akasa e dey na dey sia
campaign na wo kan ye hwe omo position to say executives na wo kan no general secretary chairman omo safo na asem na wo kan na
I don't America
so almost half an hour na so the party ni mamra kuri ni twitwi fom
ana make say dey na ya na ebesia se party shemra empempi across political divide no say empanyi de enhyehyɛ bi ba mra bi ba o be ba ko mienu bi menim said ya no hunu party no emra ene ne hyehyɛ ene won mo hyehyɛ sa amra no na obehwe ekwan ba ko na mienu bi so no na o mo bumra nso no mo de mra na ni mo twitwi fom se utie de Alex Frimpong wo kan se wo party ni hyehyɛ mu no na ni kwan se wo ye officer
o de wo ho kwaji
utie animu se
ba ko tu sa meja mfi ma me Louisa busy mo
yes
okay kwabena de tie ne se edru mra bi na wo kon do ade bi a wo se wunyo obi a wo ahohyɛ so pa
okay
wo betimi aye bibia bi ana ye ka bibi se ko ba se empo ye executive na so opese wo de wo party a wuwo mu no emra ye adwuma pa semra ade e wo se wo ye ne se wuyi wanim hye obi by you being executives no a mutimi se yi manim eye campaign ana te se de ma me Gloria ekokwa ye no eye ne suro kakra wa akire but de miminim ne se ado wo concert de nara there is time for everything yes me nyi wanim nta obi achi no eye temporary ebedru bre bia betima yi wani mata obi achi
okay
eno so ye no whereby ya choose candidate na wie
okay
what you say de na ma ne yesuro ntia aya na party ni so say your constitution emra ne so your executive a enyi wani mu nta obi achi this time ne say se wo candidate na nkonya na se meme die kokonya wani mu oyi ye no ho abatan ye de what
de wo be ye bia na nya nipa ne fa bio
what you say because wa me ye hu ba bia wugina entu de emfa ne se ma me Louisa biziu also wata mampani da dachi same jamfi so so utie ni coat na wo man na chese wote so wo mo ka e wo kasa fidie bi so en won mo ye na ma me Gloria enso so ba emi rakwabnadufo enti emfa ne se mpanimfo mienu ko race no na ba ku lusu a
okay
wa wo ta ba ku achi no uti keka ho uti akeka ne se o 4 years ne nsoin nti obi ntimi ntu but what many penny abeda ho se wo ta we achi
okay
last week na me politician bi di nkomo o ka asem bi kire me o ye no se afia se mi meyi mani mata candidate bi achi nka me ye kwe
okay
ana mi bisa ne sa do wo se hwe me career ho hia me se wo yo bia wo da ache ana wo bota yes wani so no ho hia wa
okay
no I careful because ye nipa ye nyina ye wo ba ko afa kora de na si ye
entu ewu tiji sai omuntu abayinwie no na enipa bi afall victim
ebi me yesim pampanimfo
sao
me kam tserew
asem na yehu
what's ho ade your responsibility no ye dey sound ni ade kwa akomo obi ade me ye dangerous say one political party e kwa contester executives ning na some step back
okay
na mo de mu yi manim
because anya tie bia no
sa
candidates no obia beba mo na so
what you say obia beba enu nti na mo so mo special aid mo personal aid mo communicators bi wo baabi a wo kasa mamo enti de ani se yi yanim hye department ta ni department ye chima me
okay
me matete hu bi wo baabi wo mpanifo ni bi ho wonu a wo meta we yati wonim se doli we wonya
okay
wonim se we na benya but onya na adwo so kwa kwata we yati
okay
eye sika ne nyina ye pe nti se yemfa ne se kwadwo nyameche ya andami na se kwadwo nyameche eye adwuma true me anasa me ye adwuma true kwadwo nyameche bibi ba besi be me so mama kwadwo nyameche bi sa ye yanim kwabena ni nyina ye sika nti alaja but o je l'argent da bia me kam se ni monyam ya bo ho ba ye nse no wo yi wani ma pe l'argent no na wadwene se wo di bra na wani monyam na kuta wo no eno so ho hyehye te se
ebeko sei
enti sa wo ye executive a obi nka ncho se enya favorite candidate ye nipa ya ye ti ho ba ni okunu mo da mpa ba ko so kuta no ebetima abasa ba ko ye NDC ba ko ye NPP
ene edokre
dia wo se wo ye ne se mo ni na ho nema obi eni animu me rakwabena dufo me ntra hanka na me expect mpanimfo bi se e bia omo emu oduduru mpempenso bi a enko betimi ayuzi wo mo ekwaba ni se ya na chan ya
unimu se ya me etiefo ate se ye ne onimunyamfo Francis Adenimo ebire bi atwa mu no ye mrahye bedwani e de mo manfo a wono wo Asante Mampon abato mpesua so na enedie wapon adwuma se mrahye bedwani na mom akurakura ni suade hunu
papa
so betu franka e de ama MPP amekuo no 2014 wona no oprese obetu franka no okobi na woto so me yensa eni suade hunu no obese woto aso enunti yane no besi nkonwa 1 on 1 e ofidua imu enei anopeya dika ama yetiefo enya ntie dada dika ama yetiefo enunti baba agenkwa FM ye Facebook page no aya agenkwa FM Kumase 101.9 agenkwa FM Kumase 101.9 YouTube agenkwa FM live YouTube agenkwa FM live oba be like oba share oba comment na wiase nya ate wonka eti producer usi udwa no usie no
medi manu usie no na meka se enam yewura adani monti yemfa NDC for contest no ho pomponso ne ntwere hansa minim se abre kwa nanim ne yebeka ho asam ye ka ho asam ne ye ka ne because of say omo nam na ho apaso sesi a wo mo peke forms enti ena ama ye ka omo asam no na so onimonyamfo adani mu abeduru dia mi jai baton no na me dia mawo na afei woni dadi akasa
ahaya jenkwa 101.9 akasa video so afia chia brodua na wate ne nka no abusia ebre no so ye ko na yakwa akodi nkommo bra ye Facebook page no ya jenkwa FM Kumase 101.9 ajenkwa FM Kumase 101.9 YouTube ajenkwa FM live YouTube ajenkwa FM live oba oba share oba like no comment ewiase nyina ebete onka anopai na de wo so owa wo de boa ade akekere omanga no na ya yensa esanse ya transisi nkonwa wo kire wadwen me kire madwen a ekekanyi nya bomu a na de huhu amo atoso na huhu so na de ebeboa mo ma no atumpon afa de tampa afira no na ya yensa pepepe na anopai onmunyamfo Francis Adenimo papa transi ayene no ba abedi nkomo na watransi die mamenko papa nchen na mimisa ne se efiempo etesei anopai na yenkomo twetwe no anopai yenhye ase etibla Facebook agenkwa FM 101.9 YouTube agenkwa FM live na yenin komo anopai onmunyamfo Francis Adenimo papa anopai memwache emwakwa aba
yo mejo so aduana ba ageni mboate se enene de kan a matumonsa afreme wo mo afidie so
sa pepepe
so me bon aba so Minim someone atenka
Sa pepe.
Enya na Juma. Send mo papa ne Tobinko.
Yeah, papa no.
Mate. Ene mamenchiano. Okay. Yara era Tobinko o bia menchiano.
Jo.
Ntimela mwase. Me hoye.
Jo. Papa yeso yebedase se ubre nyina achi anopai yato nsafre wo na omaga na mbuntu ne wo ma no edonti wo de ubre de amaye ene anopai na yeni enkomo papa wada rumo anopai yede yehu se obi tie ye se ye Facebook se ye YouTube ana otie radio na otese ye bo wonmunyamfo Francis Adenimo edina wado rumatia wa okunji bei en ho asem en yeken
well me obi am afina me be konfi aduonum enwotwe
okay 58 years
bosume miense ebesimu
okay
ne da toso aduonum miensa
okay
menya 58
3rd March 23rd March
no correct
okay
and me fa asante mampo
okay
na ona mawofo nyina efre a fast school mi ko mu de me ko bi on Avrongo secondary school
okay
na me ko bi so Kumasi high school and I'm called Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology.
Wow.
And I'm a son acquire my master's for GIMPA, Ghana Institute of Management and Public Administration.
Okay.
Our GIMPA. My son Juma civil engineering.
Okay.
And until acquire Adansi Juma in terms of infrastructure development there. We need civil engineers
okay.
Okay. And you know, name Sanu Ejuma.
Okay.
My Ejuma, my road contractors, my Ejuma, my civil engineering consulting firms.
Okay.
My son Ejuma, or Ministry of Roads and Highways, da. And son Amikoko D MP for 8 years.
Okay.
Timidi MP for 8 years, so no, my second term. And I my first attempt 2014. So me to Franca.
Okay.
At the Manu Patriotic Party. Emra na me parliament no na me select committee ranking member on environment, science and technology.
Okay.
I'm here ranking a member of addition so machine de kakra wo America memo.
Okay.
Any English memo, any Scandinavia countries, Denmark, Norway, United Kingdom, United States. Ni nyina ye nimdia me de enya any experiences me de nya every hono.
Okay.
And this will be peme ho abakosem kakretia na de met tofa me bono
no
just a bibi o ha obeso obi semu
yo abusia ye ne onumanyamfo Francis Adenimo na no pay ye di enkomo yi en wa botofa kakra e de ache enunti se utie na utie ni ya kakra wa kan mpo obehu sede opanyino na brabo esi etie bebi o hyase ene mpempenso a wa ba betui papa na wo ka se wa yemrase bedwani da wo asante mampon abato mpesua nso ba che o hyase brebe na udiko wie brebe se mrase bedwani
well 7th January 2009
okay
the 5th parliament the me call 5th parliament and 6th parliament
okay
from 7th January 2009 to 6th January 2017. Until in few much.
Okay.
And I'm a call Emrashe Bedwam Mampon about 2 pesos for social men Munyam and Mammy D when him or Emrashe Bedwam.
Okay.
Until the 5th and the 6th parliament. Some na New Patriotic Party will position. Until me call Emrashe Bedwam no. Na me janka
so one should anti the biasa
some ko any opposition
okay
me opposition MP for 8 years
oh wow
and I'm the free so answer na party no eba ben 2017 na sa na etie
okay what can you say no say na we janka sanse na NPP opposition no enso ye be na wo say obi a member of parliament na ne party na wa ben mu ene say or a member of parliament, not a party opposition. So,
well, say one or party wa bemu na munso so mo majority side. Multi speaker no any fan I am majority side. And I'm say executive arm of government. Our mampany da no na a control state resources no. A banisa no lobbying skills for projects they call persuasion no.
And I think I
ya na emu edaho. Esene say
okay opposition okay.
Esene say opposition even e wo mu say o man ni nyina na e develop no there. And so eden a bia preferential treatment kakra
yes, we are about a new chromo with dim panuda.
Yes, and I be crowd or honebia, a channel on Rashibi a dom Cassiano, honum, Oka majority no, a be crown, I see a yen chenepe, then I see a crab. As you see, so yet, so no, not just say, wow, position, what is speaker and Bimcum, no, a child was a corner quiet to my thing. Emma Emra.
Okay.
And some reno a co-position 2009 to 2016. No, a year to Madden Emma MPP so bad 2017.
Oh wow.
Some reno MPs nani or hono. A Jumadin partner a year you could home. And the year Juma Copim say 2016 about Bemu 2017.
Wow.
Enti Nina and no man getting I know hono. Preferential treatment that they make
okay
sir na etie
yo honorable Yansho obedi o manfo anim
nemo mamen kan say na etie fo ntie ma say e ba na akatua de a mo ye MPs na de akatua na ye pe o osum ya akatua no e ye pe
obi nyinche obi
there be just obi a oye MP e minister
okay
oye MP e minister de a but for all the other MPs, apart from leadership, majority leader, deputy, chief whip, and then the deputies, 5 from each side. You are moving what they are. MPs now can in a name of majority side, and no one getting Koswa. Minority for the basis.
That's in Chimum. Papa Yansha, Ubedi woman for any was Antimampon, about to Pessuasi, Sembla Sibicani. A woman said, do Yamuna Muya quine, and then I say for the name Mobo Punumu near Biemona in Puntuma Mopeno, Utilia near Barbayo. No, my baby, no, my baby, and I would to me your demand woman for a war as Antimampona. Wait me a chair back one. I mean, be I mean, who say, you are any more pencil, any nya bones your way, any artillery.
The American, as I know you know, the American piano. Same free me and Casamewa, they free common fund, and I get fund,
okay.
And I have National Health Insurance Fund, Yadima MPs, the Meme the year. To the American Wahano, and yet the central government
at the buy. Okay.
Jadi kan me be na hye bedwani no me imagine say me anka me bie me office said e be ya mampompe so asofo no ebehu say menye MP emfa ma party ba ko pe
okay
nemo me ye MP e de ma empeso no so nyina enti from 2009 me bie me office MP's office NDC fo nyina ti me ba ho NDC chairman to meet me friend somra municipal chief executive me otimi ba me office
okay
so I got now party office now for onu bi kodin ko because was say ho party office and no ni ade ba ko a me ye ya e ma me ne me constituency yenkita mudie no e course
okay
papa so ahuno anya sa na obi ba os me hu MP no ayin fa no aha enti wo hwehwe me a oba okrata akra no na de abeto me office me na me bi office no me fa nkrofo editena ho editua moka etua me light bill bibia ye no na mfiri aban ho
ye wa
me na me ye then free amemu hu sa no demystifying the office of the member of parliament na manfo hu say we MP a won tesoro tintintin baby na manfo no gu from baby imom munyam hye ene ye de ahyew
okay
na sande asodie di ama say fire adwuma na ma o mpeso asofo ho eni enye
okay
okomampon so a For the first time 2009 and I'm share free vacation classes ase.
Oh wow.
Bosumi bia afibia no long vacation for senior high school for no in the month of August.
Okay.
Now me organize 4 weeks.
Wow.
Bosumi free vacation classes at my students. Me throughout 8 years na me MP.
Oh, why had you? But just now you'll be a Nangumesuya at the Wakamas.
Oh, who hear me? If we say a Ngumesuya so na yedi mpuntu.
Okay.
So no. We education and Ngumesuya nimdie.
Okay.
Edi mpuntu eba. Enya no kwa me see school dan kindergarten block.
Okay.
Edema communities ni bi. Omo so omo schools adan na omo ye renovation work first cement may provide a free get fund and a common fund at the aboa omo no ye no so me ye e ba pom de ho a me to ambulance kama at the Mampong government hospital as I'm required an ambulance no e da so wo ho ye adwuma me free mashebe dwamuni Infie insia ninsomu na yewe enso no sa ambulance no
that's where you
eye adwuma eno su free wa Mampong government hospital eye maternity omu theater block me renovation e wo hono mo e de ma wo eno su free hono mo a e fa ankra e bisade de eye bebre
yentumi nkai
mentumi ntanfidie so enka ne nyina e doso afibia so na me bɔ modern se me ne community bia ebenya nkita hode
na unya sadaje no
oh yes say o come na she bedwam a your long vacation so no a free at the end of July to August, September, October no long vac for MPs na me so my me nhihye ya me communities na me no ma ye debes.
Okay.
Me ne ahemfofo e wo ho no mo ene timamfo e wo ho no mo ne ahia na ma kyerɛkyerɛ wo mo de ekoso wo abammu ene mpuntudwuma ekoso e wo ye mpeso aso na wo mo so de wo mo bisade enti e ma me ne mampon mpeso aso nkitahode ne de
kama
ti se de mpanimfo e bu baby ti se ba fine for
okay
ne ba ko nti minim ze na mo ansem twerefo mo kona mo kobuza se kura ze wan na ye mpi wo mampo a obi kura be bu ade ni mo de mpi wo no e be kyerɛw se de mikum me ho eye adwuma ene amanfo etenaye
okay yo papa yanhwe ebla wo be ye mra se bedwani ni adwuma wo ka se wo yo ye nyine che se woni mra se bedwamu bi bibi wo ho a nanka opeso yema wo manfo akwanya no amba se nei ke akwanya e ba mo asa akomrase bidwefie biewa saa de no ke be your topmost priority e de ama wo manfo bibi saa e wo ho
well se ni pass tramo de tembia no enkoso na yepe
saa bebebe
nti nanka mehwe ni mu se nka me so me ko parliament on the majority side na mahwe difference nanka mehu se me so me come na she bedwam no na me wo meti speaker ni sanifani majority na me party wa ben enunti no nanka ombehu se me modern mo a me ball here as opposition MP no enka be kosoro more asense ese me wo
opposition
ka me modern mo a me ball no as opposition MP no se me ko Mrashe bedwam a me party so wo abemu a ka saa model mo no
be koso
peja akosoro asene samre eno na bi anka mehwe animu na efa mpuntudwuma ho nsemsem ene ankrankra ho ye die eno de ya ade a na damakoma so so e wo se oye after all enipa no ahye no yahye wani monyam yahye wani monyam no ye de adodode aka ho e wo se won so o fa so die ne kese na wo de boa timamufo a o mpeso aso o mu anigi a onso so wani agi me na menye MP ana me de me ho esie mkrofo me nya MP a me mu esie mkrofo ebi kwa to me this year contractor MP. Nti no Rianaba sanetie enka the welfare of me personal so for no na many be koso.
Okay. Yo. Papa na wo kan bibi say na wo kan the 6th parliament no ho. Say with the 8th parliament bi kire say ya to aba no 2020 wie ya ekoye hang parliament nanka enu ma na Ghana for anadodo na hwede free emi asebedwa no enchen no ase wonu mu enhye den hu ni sa yenhwe the 6th parliament na yenhwe nei emi asebedwa ewo ho ene mo mu bre no se na na dwumedie no esi etie.
Okay. Yeah, call parliament no. NDC a call I think 152.
Okay.
152 members. Omunya 152 seats.
Okay.
And MPP yensu yekonya 123 seats. Into Oshemwa ne difference no.
Okay.
Gap no wom. Between NDC and MPP.
Yeah.
So by 2016 free parliament no. Ya to 2016 abano. MPP echo 169.
Okay.
NDC echo 106.
Okay. Let's just say much pa.
Oh yes. Declare majority. So that was 2016. And if you want about 2020 year, yanko to abanum year chimpe.
Okay.
And abe. A chimpe 50-50.
Okay.
So what I say. Na we mu nyina na eboa ekwan bi so na ya adesua kese e de ma kabi ma menka bi amemo e kire wo se untimi mfa mpeso bi se media me stronghold ni ejapade se de ya ye kan oba bi en krum kasa yi mu se mpeso we su de sebi o etiefo mo mfa nchemi na meka ye de aponche kura gina ho na ye de party na colors no kata ne ho a ye be kwa akoto ama. The results of 2020 elections kire yen say ye koye nim o kabi mamen kabi amemu na timamufo no so eni ebie.
Okay.
So we be nim say onfa ne kokromotie nkoto aba keke na emom obehwe enipa obetimi adi nanim.
Okay.
Amani ye die ho ehia no.
Sir.
So hono. Nanka surprising. Aduana ba. Etiefo. Enye surprising say 2016 169 minus 106 ASA.
169
minus 106.
One yes 50. Hey, me must know
169 minus 106. So what if free moi? Nanka
I be 63. 67.
63.
3.
Mewa. And yes 63.
Yeah.
Seats.
Yeah.
Difference between MPP and NDC. And within 4 years, that's our 63. Yetimi achim no 31. So no. Aba be independent. Nti ekone say ene bewie say.
Okay.
Ti we mu nyina na ka ho na was a party no ye hwesa no me nyina yes 2024 ye be break 8 no. O say adesua de kase ye nya free 2020 abato ni mu.
Okay.
Near the core. Enti ene parliament abe chimpe. Mama both sides and now parties akesi enimi no MPP NDC for ni nyina no obia ni beda ho no mo.
Okay.
Enti why you be use say we parliamentary candidate say constituency no ye MPP stronghold and now any MPP stronghold ɛwɔ sɛ woma w'ani kɔ fam na woyɛ adwuma
okay
na sɛ woyɛ adwuma no yie ɛwɔ fam a ɛno ɛna amanfoɔ ɛbɛhwɛ nti ebeduru mmere bi a obi betumi aka sɛ parties akɛseɛ ni mmienu kora obi ne obetumi aka sɛ ha yɛ me stronghold
okay
said there yen for the first time MPP yetimi konya seat ɛwɔ hohoe
okay
for the first time yenya seat ɛwɔ hohoe no sanso so na emfa ho sɛ ebi emre bi bedura for the first time na NDC benya seat ɛwɔ Bantama
okay
so ahuno enti mesre amanyosem na je sɛ yɛyɛ no timamufo nso so de wɔn adwe ɛhwɛ no ma bebree hwan ne yɛde tumi ne ma no a wɔde bedi dwuma amaso abamfaso ɛde amaye enti sɛ yɛni nua koraa na wonim sɛ tumi ne kɔ no hɔ no wɔmfa mmoa
okay
wɔde bɛfa baabi foforɔ a
ɛbɛboa papa yɛnhwɛ wadi amanyɔsɛm wachi akyɛ yɛyɛ misa sɛ wo hyɛ aseɛ yɛ amanyɔsɛm yi wɔnu ho sɛ bia sɛnkanya amanyɔ koraa na abɛyɛ yɛ a ebia ka wokɔ w'anim na amanyɔsɛm aboa wo ɛnti wobɛtumi atu babunu bi a wɔba fo sɛ wɔyɔ a wɔnyɛ no nyɛ ne yie
wopɛ sɛ ɔyɛ amanyɔsɛm a obi biara no busa ho sɛ wayɛ krado sɛ wobɛdi ɛdɔm anim
okay
de di kan a ɛwɔ sɛ nipa no hu sɛ ɛyɛ leadership
okay
who di dɔm anim nti amanyɔsɛm no deɛ partisan politics no ɛyɛ part of leadership
okay
nti yɛde wodi dɔm anim a wowɔ abadaeɛ
okay
wowɔ akoma no wowɔ abotrɛ no
okay
wowɔ nimdeɛ no sɛ dibre wei no a wɔpɛ no wobɛtumi ayɛ me na adeɛ a ɛwɔ me akyɛdeɛ ɛwɔ hɔ sɛ wotumi di dɔm anim
okay
nti na minim sɛ mmerɛ bɛba a mama nyɔsɛm no mehyɛ mu kena
okay
menu me ho menu me ho in politics
na politics aboa wo
politics aboa me boa aboa me ne sɛ me som amanfoɔ ɛma wo mu ani gyeɛ no
okay
ɔmo hu me ne binom edi adanseɛ no a
okay
that is anigyeɛ no a minya no ma yɛmfa ne sɛ ɛyɛ agyapadeɛ na wokɔpɛ o adɔdɔdeɛ no mekɔpɛ material things
economy nya VAT baako bia
na VAT no nya utwitwitwi a sɛ betimi asɛ minim MPC ne bia wɔn VAT obi wɔkora ne VAT engine break it down so many years so ntimi nyɛyɛ obi so atɔn ne deɛ nti sɛ obotaye a wode kɔ amanyɔsɛm mu na ɔtime de kɔ mmarahyɛ bedwam ne sɛ
okay
mehu sɛ asumasi ati VAT mi so me kɔpɛ bi mu atena yes okɔ a yɛbɛma car loan yɛde car loan ne ma wa wo akwanya sɛ obeto V8 ana V6 ana bɛkɔ akɔtɔ salon car ti wo kɔtɔ V8 na atena mu wi a ebeduru mre bi a wonkɔ mmarahyɛ bedwam no
okay
na obusa ho sɛ V8 metimi akɔso ayusu obi wɔ kra a watɔn ne deɛ
okay
obi wɔ ha ne deɛ so asɛ so ahu no botaye titira aduanaba ɛwɔ sɛ wo nipa no wunya sɛ mepɛ sɛ meyɛ MP ne sɛ so wayɛ krado sɛ wobɛsom amanfoɔ no ɛpɛ sɛ yɛde saa animonyam no ɛhyɛ wo no ne yɛde adɔdɔdeɛ so ka ho de ma wo no wayɛ krado sɛ wɔn nkɔ naana wɔn haw wɔn atete
wobɛtumi asoa
ɛbɛsoa
ɛnso
yes that is the responsibility and responsibility no bro the honor and then the benefit
okay
yeah the bema no so when who is anu na the wadwin nyina kɔhyɛ sɛ oh benefit wo honor wo and MP bo ne hoahoa no ye hoahoa wo nyina so na wo sɛ bibi kɔ
ɛkɔ no kre
me bo ana
sa pepepe
enti me know me ho sɛ me ya amanyɔsɛm
okay
mre bia no manage ene sɛ be mfie nsum ne wo mu a mini aban mu
okay
mini debre nanso manage amanfo humia ombusa say ade ni why come ade asem na so wodi dom anim na wo yini ya
okay
onyankopon so emma wo bre
enye
kwada nyame no ma wo bre enye kwa no obefa enipa mu and o ma wo bre enye kwa. If you serve and you serve well with your heart, clear mind, clean conscience, everything, good heart, and you serve the people well, the same God will make sure say even once you are not in that position, you'll be taken care of.
Abusafo ye ka wo say ye ni wonminyamfo Francis Adenimo na edin komoyi ebebi atwam na papa ye mrahye bidwani ade mo manfo awon wo asante mampon abato empesua no eso na no pay waje brani adaje na ye ni no edi enkomo febra Facebook page no ya Ajinkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 YouTube Ajinkwa FM live oba obehye obe comment no like na kosa bi mpo na apeso obisa na wabisa na papa so aboa ewo ho papa yenhwe MPP aban eba 2016 na 2020 yeto aban no no san aba ebiwo yemfa no 2020 emla so far say na wuhunu MPP amemu a na na dodankwa Akufo-Addo eti animu yi
so as a media some for time maybe am ko bia maybe could be catch him say honorable my one word give us one word to describe the second term of Nana Akufo-Addo's administration. And I'm saying one word pa me be describe no controversy. Yes, just no manner controversial.
Emunaho.
First controversy is here, the election of the speaker.
Okay.
Between Speaker Bagwin and the former Speaker Michael Quay.
Okay.
So who the controversy
you try be cry bleeding as if we
nature said chimpenwa and this how we buy. That's the first controversy. And Albekaya 2021 budget. No, 2022 budget. Emra NDC minority say or more rejected budget, you know. And then Speaker Bagwin, it too quite. Nabedi actually Joe say we so kotna kunyam. And the MPP majority side says we are more approval budget. So that is also another controversy. Sort ya say. And yi levy so be another controversy. Yentua ya mamonte yen me wana sa eno nso so ebae enu wo mu adwasafo ye be in free parliament ana in free parliament me wana
sa pepe
majority see pushing it out minorities mo boa ye ta na chi adwasafo da so to oda so ye mrahye bedwane e de ma domeko abenya and van say the latest you cry debt exchange program. I'm crank pensioners. Mo ya dem beka ho. Ye ma yesu ye print mamu fa ye nka ho. Ene ye beba be koto ye beba be tena Ministry of Finance. Enu nti no ni nyina ne se. Enu omemu enafo.
Okay.
Enu omemu nafo asetena mo den. Economy no mo eden. Ya wasi agitu.
Okay.
Se economy no mo eden. Ni nyina no edin ye eka oman no busia bo a yabo ama eka amene ye eka so menewa emu ahenhan a ebebu kom
sa pepepe
nti yempese ka no bebu ye kom mu nti no e na aban ye nhyehyeye se I'm for answer na 3 billion no yemfa mre mo no ye pese ye hu se mo ka mo de no emu ahenhan yesu ye de no beka ho a
nkobum
ko na mo betimi atua e de amaye enu nyina e na ekoso na o hwe sa equation na two sides one side of the equation is say e was aban no na Akufo-Addo aban e hwe se na expenditure e normal e hia and no maybe or you bet it on the expenditure side.
Okay.
Then the other side of the equation is a Timemufue Munina Momekayan.
Okay.
Na yen hwe kwan a ye ka no ye beso ano na oman mpuntuo etimi akoso nti ye de we mienu bomu a na oman no ye nyina no ye betimi akoye ne government expenditure side no na say am me de tuja ade ba ko a oman no oman panyini ne na ban betimi aye ne say akwantu a asoafo ne aban mu mpanimfo etu no kese ekwa amanone no ewo oman ni din mo no obi a obetu kwan bia no yema no economy class ticket
o sabu
na instead of akwa business class ewo plane mo no
okay
so ni say business class ho no mo no ticket ne board dey sene economy no nti ebia ebeka se ebeyi omanpanyin ene ne secretary omanpanyin abedi akire ne secretary chief of staff
okay
speaker of parliament clerk of parliament and chief justice ne judicial secretary ne betimi ayi omasi nchen omodie omutu kwan no a yemo omonta business class
okay
nemum we ye soafo we ye hwan hu we ye managing director chief executive we ye hwan we ye judge we ye hwan wo tu kwan wo oman ni di mu kwa amanoni akodi dwuma aman ye se ye ka amene ye pese expenditure ko form dia
okay
so tran economy class mu te say de Ghana fo aka no
eti mu ni bi no
dan a plane tu hwiebe se don hwiri sia ne phone don hwiri do e do be kwa akosi
okay
na wo so akodi dwuma no e de ama oman no
na papa ba na say minister na wo te economic class no said the anya taka no wanti ni pose so
continue pose so na Ghana for net one no de omunti
say the ni portfolio bia
obi any portfolio na de na akunya portfolio portfolio no na ekukrumotie no omuni post no na omde omkokrumotie ma wo
okay
enti ni nyina ye leadership by example aduana ba emre no mu ye ho akire ye enti ye nyina ye boa
okay
ama oman ne ka no ye de abafomo de a ewosu obia tighten the belt
okay
so ahuno enye se bi mu tighten omo de no
ne bi
mu lusu omo de a omo de esogu omo anu enti sa no me koso a afi no se pensioner bi onu office o sika kese na wo de atobon na wo se won so omoa ewo domestic debt exchange program no a won so free na komam meboa ama oman no akonani
papa ye ka expenditure e ho asem yi woni wo manfo a wo ka say the size of the government no ye nya hu bibi no na betumi aboa ye woni mo ya adwen sa
well me aduana ba we dey ade a me maka ho asem of course first term of Nana Akufo-Addo administration 2017 to 2020 no na the ministers and deputy ministers and number 126
yeah
second term we are around 86 there's just what so by 40
okay
so no 86 no kra no me ma dwuno no e betimi ateso
okay
assign aba and then only ministerial appointments
okay
other state institutions are chief executive 3 deputies so no kominini
okay
nyina no e was you say wo man no first near 10 regions
okay
you see it was 16 regions into 16 regions no 6 additional regions na beka ho no obiara won a fixed cost
okay
fixed cost or fixed expenditure or ye say adwuma ekoso adwuma nkoso sa fixed expenditure no
okay
or say ya de ma say sikare de ma into once ya increase regions from 10 to 16 no and the additional
cost
ebeba the then existing fixed cost no so 2 assemblies ya sign increase assemblies They say they will be 261 or 263 assemblies, metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies. And ye create assemblies no more. No. Also, man, you who say, ye face cost no, and also so ye there, cost no. Inti, ye no free wa, so they me can ye no. Other state institutions, ABR, managing director of this, chief executive of social, CEOs, deputies, bebre, directors, bebre, ni na so I want a face cost.
Okay.
Any the administrative cost in running all these state institutions. So
okay.
To see I'm here ya, and then obi a per juma I see a per benjuma. Ni nyina ne say, oko,
wanko,
or you productive to the national economy or non-productive or also mean so ne kakra over there. Obeji. So on. Dinti me the advocate say 60 you can a bit me 60 ministerial and deputy ministerial appointment.
Okay.
You were 16 regions into your 16 regional ministers.
Okay.
Constitution also encourages say 19 minimum 19 19 cabinet ministers. 19 cabinet ministers. In the man say exactly 19. Until the 19 can 16 one. So now 35.
35.
No per deputy ministers be 19 and now 22 account one. Now the 3 others no are ministers of state or presidents of one man penny. So which means exactly 60. A show mu ya.
Be effective.
Why not? Why not? Be effective. When you say we appoint you as a minister for health or education or there's no uni majuma okay. And no enye for the agro.
Sa pepe.
Ya conquer for a man so and crop for a man so or more population chain or my idea. And so how many are their ministers or secretaries of state? How many? So how many are they?
Okay.
Or more population eso or more economy no kra eso sene ye die bebre. Enti no adenti no omo de omo ntimi mfa political appointees bebre.
Okay.
Na ye economy na wo form no ye de na ye fa political appointees bebre. Enti ye hia se ye be balance act ni ye.
Okay.
Ye be balance ni ye. No bia so Oman penino esimefa 60 ministers. Seminya kwenya na esimefa 60 ministers and deputies. Na mafa obi na me de dibrasha wonsa. On konko enko diagro ho.
Okay.
E wo so usua de. Unya mretna office e ko field so ahuno. If you say nimonyam no bi na ye de amaw.
Sa
ene ho adodode na obenya. Ti o so unya mre Edward Bibia and I'm so minor a show no dear.
Okay.
Also do Bibia shess or minor ye dear.
Yo. Papa Yanshe, ye can domestic debt exchange program was in some and then a dear baby drew he. I do not want one month, our Ghana for to some for Yerakan of Friata. Nanu will be crying, peeping massive your phobia soleil. Sasabi. MPP wabodi bi we have the men. Wo say Rofuriata no ase wable ne nsem wago. Etika won komu obi mra. Wo share sa sentiment no. Se baby adru no die. Enka nana do nye hu bibi. Wo se won wa no pen.
Well, the etienie kan Rofuriata be kwa mfansa kwan miensa ene wo ho.
Okay.
So man panyini ebeka say Ken may you free ho e de wo kwa asoe foforo.
Okay.
Ana may you free maban mu me ma odi brebia ye no ye baako. Ana say ono Ken Oforiata nbeka say me di bre no man panyini me da wase. Be say me di bre no to ho ma be yebi be ma be yebi ma nyenye ma boa wa ban ma som.
Okay.
Ana se mrashi bedwam ombetebu motion no ma senza na enokra no wi a wo hia o man panyina approval.
Okay.
Ansana ubetimi ayi na friwa we no edi everywhere. Yes, the dream may be a reshuffle. Or ye reshuffle Eddie Kenya or by.
Okay.
Can you forget some yenya, me can be a check since last year. Only the only person who borrowed 4 years as finance minister since 1993. Yes.
Okay.
If in 1993, Obi anyone be the finance minister for more than 4 years.
Just a bibi sunku when you move. The performance no on March in Tiana.
Diana Banina or Mampagini.
Okay.
And it's all Mampagni, we say, or person
was our discretion.
Only 2 million.
Okay.
Constitution no decide 2 million. For the first time, in Nipa, where the finance minister, our fourth Republican constitutional government, for more than 4 years, Honorable Ken Free
Atta.
Opa monko be back na monko check the records.
Okay.
Rollins oni Kwesibochi eko 4 years. Rollins second term oni Kwampepra. Kufo first term oni ya Osafumafo. The second term
oni Banredu.
Okay. And Akutu Osei. Atamils oni Kwabnado for and also Kopem this too. John Mahama oni Sektepe.
Okay.
Nanado the first term oni Ken Ofori-Atta. Second term 2 years ni Aburi.
Okay.
Oni Ken Ofori-Atta. Enunti nso otena fa ko a. Na fe o so afno. Afro crofo.
Ayesa kodia yi na wo mo ntem abusuan sensem ni ntiana.
Well, enu de mi ntimi nkyere e na me pese me speculate.
Okay.
Me ntra mo fidi so agenkwa 101.9 so na me speculate.
Okay.
O man panyini en o power no say be ye me photo samfo. Enu nti timamufo de yehu ene de yehu no ene ye ka yesusu ho de akere man panyini say enka o sesam mu a ebeboa. Ebi wo kra no a wosisemu a just that change
okay
ede abotoyem eni anigye foforo ye de eba ema bibia ekoso enti ye ka next o mampanyini nye ya ye ka mana kwesisai
okay
ye be ka so onye ya 4 years no so a se ne eden ya
obeko
ne mrebe so a obeko
yo papa me bisa ko sawi ubetumi ayi ano anase bia ubeka se wunyi ano bajo woni na adanko akufu adom o problem ana senti America ne se wo obi a waso MPP abemu MPP America no mu ache se do ka se moko fa America no fi opposition e de ne ba abemu e bia so se America no ba abemu ne echiche diple ahodo asemasi nkoda dwumakuye no obenten kwa ha no wo se fata ebi kura wo buru bi so senke betimi am appointment ni bi adai
to me no
ana wompe
to me no man penyo aduana ba etiefo ntie me am ntimi sorry emfa me pese ma appoint me ho
okay
emra ye wini 2016 pe Yeso na na Akufo-Addo in on 7th January 2017 obey o man panyini pe.
Okay.
Oman constitution or the year adwuma. Into ono ane power na so afo. No krese media akotene 2016 campaign.
Okay.
Me bo ne chidom. Anopa awia anacho ne enam. Dru baby kasa wie kra no.
Bebe te wo ko amemfi fundraising bi na wutu botom na wo kasa na wo ko na wo ba
enye Amenfi East Amenfi West
okay
Amenfi Central wo Sehwi Potem constituencies na wo ni nyina enye ho wo voter region and now uti region then voter region Central region TESCON activities 2016 ebinum cry kwa omo person beko TESCON activities baby I frame meko okwa betu bottom
okay
enti bottom to enti
nya de be kwa nyamsem
be mi ye we nyina said de be ya me so me de boa campaign ye di nkunim die no ne ya mami de bre o man panyin frame e ma mi de bre sabi mi kosun muja am kremiensa na ese ma odibra aduana ba obede
onye wontimi nya we
nti o se no wa yedin na wo so ahwe kwan a obebo obra
okay
na wako anim ebi adache bi so wo ho e de ma so any president Akufo-Addo any problem
okay okay
ebi a obi na bedi na adwene bebu se menino menkasa ntia no
but ntia mi busa sa bia bi ni etete so ma board bi se kokoda so
na o mo se board ben
board na refi kakra
wo bodin no a
na meka se be refi kakra be kaya me bo ade akyerew
na menka we nkire tiefo oman no ye de mra na ye adwumo
okay
public sector is regulated by legal framework ye ma odibre ewo aban mu a ewo se emra etechire because emra no so na wo ko gina e de akwa akodi odwuma nti ebi se yesi ma me se me nkoye road fund chief executive
yes
na mremu no road fund chief executive ewo mrem se bo mremu dia eni mremu a na wo koye de
untimi nkonkoye ma nyenye yi
na ye musi ye hu biem se enti so ye ma de ni mu bibi na wanye a sa dibre no hwan na ye de amano se ho no mo sa mre ya
oye hu adwuma okay nso ya asem foforo
yes minti bibi e ni ho so hu no bibi e ni ho se position eni ho no mo a na akoje a obi kura betimi abuza say so what is your co-warranto in this position
okay
emra be na wo kita wa wo say me yesay obi ye chief executive of Ghana Cocoa Board mremo no position chief executive ya twere wo
okay
these are the functions of the chief executive also hweso okay na adwuma okay obi ye director general of senator
okay
emrenemu sa ena etie obi ye managing director of Tema Oil Refinery emrenemu no sa ena etie nti yeose semtwerefo no mubusa mo se road fund emrano position bi wo ho sa
okay
ukọ common fund emremu a common fund emra ye di ti common fund no what they actually say the president in consultation with the Council of State
okay
shall appoint an administrator with the prior approval of Parliament.
Okay.
Oko National Health Insurance Funder, Chief Executive of National Health Insurance Authority, Emrano Chrese, the President shall appoint a Chief Executive. Oko Get Fund, Emremwa, Get Fund Emrano Chrese, the President shall appoint an administrator.
Okay.
Now, Oko Road Fund Emreno. Bibi any was inti bede na obuka say ya mami position
no wanye etifuna ko no say ya tisu obi kan say ye wrade ni mo ye mani di play wanye a ye mo sa asem ni mu
mongu na mumusa ni pa no say position ni din ye say
okay
so me ba ya wo kan mi busa o say position bia wo ni din ye say wontimi nka me bo ana nti obi be ye propaganda e was sad in mabusa nze at the end most position in the say
okay
number 1 2 your man was it a verbal appointment or written appointment
okay
any demand anymore 3 at the end more anya why near the man
a man
so be a man for so peduma or at the end more is the only person as our position ya reserve for the man say without him nobody can occupy that position na entini nyina no enya no correct
okay
mini di bre wa ban no mu influence on ye wo mu nanso no awo se me bɔ me bra mani so ade hunu so so de
okay
enye no na besi me kai
okay
David e wo twere kronkron no na David oni di bre e wo so amamomu so
okay
ano ye Israel hene no anyame enwosre free no so anyame ka kire odifo Samuel say ompe ni fa foforo na omfa ni nsɛm no so ne nwosra bɛwɔ no so no me yɛ na David inni di bre ɛwɔ Saul amamu
okay
nanso ɛkɔɔyɛ no David ɛna ɛbɛyɛ the successor to Saul
okay
so what you say enti eduru mre bi a enipa adwen mu no ye di bu no ma bebre
abla dentisa
aha ndi e bi ade ni mozozo e na ye David ewo MPP
okay sa pepe ne tie busia ye ne onwiafo Francis Adenimo na edi enkomoi ubetumi aba Facebook Agyenkwa FM 101.9 na adwadwenche ususuye aba papa 2014 wona no wo ani suade hunu so betu Frank ade ama MPP amiku no na woka ho bi ma bibia ko wie kwa woto so miensa ye tete ye nya ntiye se ni so ade hunu da so kutawa sa akwanya ba obese di MPP abekunu anim biu ade akọ 2024 abato aye beto papa sa ensam no se ne sitie
no kre
okay
me da so a me tu ho na 2014 no me nyemo
okay
me da so
ekrem
enti 1st February ye bosumi fe ne da edikai and I'm friends am trefo e de tu omo anim e de fa omo so
okay
e de tu Ghana fo anim se MPP amanyokuo ebie kwan se Frank tu akansie no ye sha ase a Adenimo meso mekọ akofa me krata se Frank tu position no
okay
me nso so no me se efata na metimi aye
okay
me fancy ye enti minim Samuel my friends am sure for minim say munianum e won kra ya FM ni atinka TV fo nyina e bae enti mi da so gyinam
okay
some afrem he ni nyina aka ho me kasa manfo tie no me de kwa adwendwen mu nchirechire mu wom emu da ho ni nyina no e kire wusu
okay
ene wo ban na say the dibre ne mawa obetimi aye nje aduana ba yes my ambition is still on
okay
I'm still pursuing it emre no nyanso say ye bie ekwan no say party nim fan hihye enya mai na enso party nim fan hihye enya mai no eno nkire say ye ntra say efa ye nsanhye ye dem refem
okay
2014 na ye ni panso ene ye koye na metoso miensa men ngumehu anim ase
okay
enti ekwan na onyame kire me no eno ana mejira so ejina mu
okay
aminim se obehye ne ho ene wonya
papa yanhwe woto so miensa yi edie na emu wabemu a woda so se enisuade hunu no ubedi akire na obepem akọ nim bia dako ebeyeye enisuade hunu ene se ya wabemu yi
well so unza wo wa ya wo watenka say da so a waso a ewo efiri watenkam na wadwene ho na osusu ho yi a
okay
wo tu ho anamon a o ma bibia enyede emu abem obi wa ha akobeka say na say o party aba abem mu ekomfie nso ya ma odibre bia
okay
nti say ya kan wahye wo beye den na watimi ayede asan sorry tenam di David di mfato ho say na David no ni dibre wo Saul amemo enso ba be di Saul ade emra David ni Goliath ekoko no say obi enzuzu say David
no ekete
ya Saul ahihye no Goliath ahihye ne ho odim say o brane oba na wo small boy wo gina he
okay
baby enye sa brane ni din akase no na ekoto aba amanfo behwe wusu ene oban ene one ye ati mu se ye di wudi dom nanim ne di tumi ne mawa obedi animonyam beba wodi nkoso beba wodi asomdwe beba wodi anigye besoso be de ebeba intime conviction no ensesa ye eno nti ena impodi akoso nyina no party ne bibi ameka ho da so ginam sase esesa pedia na bia na na medai so na medu idi kan so ye no ebia ye fufuo ni abem kwan da ye so so no
de na mi bisa sa no empempi sa woni so ade hunu a wonya se wo wodom edi wachi obo ho a dom ni di na chi ebedu the latter part no was so mia na me kan say maso daye mia na menya di so ade hunu no me di esi heye basa na agitafo no aso ma bonyenye o mu aye stranded yewura pa se de yesidi yewe sen mu ye de ani to no so yi ana ha no de ya ba betu
Adriana ba
papa
be mensin so man san no ha mo
ene wo so ye be ma pa
sabe e kan kokodrufo a ye ka so bi kokodru ni a na nkyere se o kasa bum
ye kika
na bi sam crofo no mu ye ehufo omu kra
ene me yonku bi e fe Korea wo kasa wa ha police ni yi ni tia ufo what they call
meaning bebre wa amanwese mu a be ye no so asem ba wo mu na fast o matchom o no yes me na maso me dae me tu ho anamo
okay
me wo makokodura me tu achidifo ka me ho enya ade a me kodi wo mu hwamo
okay
2014 kura no a na party no yiwo opposition no amanfo si ani abere ye pekon ya ba ba mu ena na adunkwa na enko na akufu adunkwa ena si na kabima me kabi no ni eye ne sei
okay
sabio aduana ba party na bie kwan yesi form wa obetimi kofa form makoto form ni bi 10,000 samre ne 10,000 100 million
yeah
madame filing fee samre ne 75,000 750 million media ka ho media kuma general secretary ya frɛ vetting ya totoma no wie no yesi me se fata me nko se betu aba ama me na se party na jimi sa no ma we nyina na obi be ka cho se si form a nani ane na ya nyese emra no nipa ba ko pe ene yesi wonko
okay
so mati ase enti akokoduro de ewo ho
okay
enam se eye miama tinka me aso me da ya metu ho anamo enti ma chidifo obi a opema se madomi mo obi a anwene se ade ni mo bisinso ansa no ma da bi
okay
yiginem eyem kunimdie ene ye ko
okay
sabi senye kunimdie mu a ene enka me so me ha me ho
okay
enti dwuma na yedie no me pese me ka ewo agenkwa ha na amanfo a yetie mi no hu se eye enibere
okay
eye wosom me pese yesom ewo akomapem
okay
ene ahofamam se de be ye nhyehyeye a ye nyina no eso beba mfaso ede amaye enti me mfa manfo entwansuo no ana mekoduru mfinfin baabi a
oja umosi
maka cho se meja obi ahwe baabi obefa na nsuo ni mfa bi no monko dabi yenya ne sa
okay dabi yenya ne sa papa yenhwe NPP for ewo nsem bi a wono mfie be se kakra ni wono ka breaking the 8th agenda ene wo mo keka bi si da so mutumi ye dia ye bisa se under whose watch ana sa breaking the 8th ni betumi aye achievable ye tete se yewra se se di wa me enyo enentie se wutinam ye tete se yewra Mahmoud Bawumia o mampanya be de che beba yewra Alanchematen yewra akoto wusu afiye yewra boache ja akon edi no bebrebi ena ebeba munya so mu ye kukudam nti ye bisa se under whose watch ena breaking the 8th agenda no ebetumi abaso Ghana for be eka se a contest no ya akoye se yewra Bawumia ni yewra Alanchematen pa no mo mainstream o sa
mo media for na mo aye ne sa mo hype no
sa
yes we call from no mo kra no mo ni form sa no mo ni form nti me ka no mo afidie so
okay
breaking the 8 no year 2020 abato ni wie ya na sa slogan ye sha se
okay
see a better 8 years akọ 12 akọ 16 years eno nti ye betimi aye
okay.
Now Busam say under whose watch? Under the watch of a new face.
A new
face. An infufro. Yes. An infufro. And a breaking the 8. A beba.
An infufro. What that room? A wanya.
An infufro.
And I will say an infufro. Now, per se, what I say.
Ninchasi. Abako somewhere that one say MPP ni NDC. You didn't feel what you be na ofa o flag bearer efri obi a o kan ban ne ho a muntimi break 8 no the first example the year 2000 Rawlings ni NDC we 8 years no. Na Vice President Atamils was not be NDC candidate.
Okay.
When Timmy we near breaking 8. Kufuor by only MPP 18 film watch.
Okay.
Nana Kufuor do know a foreign minister or Kufuor by. Obey MPP and candidate.
Okay.
When Timmy breaking 8.
No, great.
If you were NDC by Atamils ni John Mahama 8 years. John Mahama no a sitting president.
Great.
SI a candidate for NDC 2016 when Timmy breaking 8 no. And unti I was a party man who say
I no ma call so mercy be ana.
There be Nina say Ediana ba near TF4. Enipa a hunfun nipa.
Oh yeah, no great.
Inti in film watch na ya tio ye hu the obe can be our kind the obe be our ti amanfo we see yen sanfa won kwa na amanfo be busa say na sabe won kwa e di ade biem ye kasa asem kirewa ye kasa mood
pa
ye pensem bibli na aka kire ti omo bebo no tofa ye aka kire say na won kwa ade nit pa won ni pa eni ntia wo sense akyraye no eba sense akyraye no eba e wo kandifo no a ono nso so de new appeal.
Okay.
Fresh appeal, fresh enthusiasm, fresh excitement.
Okay.
And non so or the eba. And yes, I the amount for be say any said the tienwa sa de eko. Amount for so be who say was say yenya and such e de eba. Enti clear for the past 2008 2016 echere india de nti ne pese 2024 no yensisa name breaking 8.
Okay.
And that is why me see here a new face.
What you say,
new face only abine him. Next only abine him. 2 or natural unifier.
Okay.
3 and kikaye.
And you know.
4 on also so edit new excitement, fresh appeal, fresh charisma. On also so edeba. Ewane normal opeso oyemu echere ga
papa wo kan say ya MPP aban mu won na okuta woni suade hunu bia watwe wo ho se wo ba be bontoa no eti won so yebaka so mo nye new faces ya na wo kan bibi se obi a enkekan eni no
yes
na
2007 se na Kufuor do no kan Kufuor ban and say no free mo be flag bearer
sir sir bebe
Kwame Kufuor no ka Kufuor ban no free mo be contested for flag bearership wenya Kofi Kunadu Apreku no kan ban Alan Chemantin no kan ban no mebo ana
sir bebe
yes enunti why resign now pursue ambition eno no ema won gase won aban no
onka ho
ko mu bi wakomu mfie nsia wakoje ho animonyam wakoje ho adodode ye
okay
eno nti ho responsibility nso so no yaso etimi de bibọ oka ho
okay
enti wo busa me say na wo mu so nye new face and there be because wo mu nyina aye part of the administration Gina me ma examples the CC ye Prosper Mills as sitting vice president and so lose general elections.
Okay.
Nana Akufo-Addo as a former minister in Kufuor's administration and a candidate for MPP. So lose. John Mahama as a sitting president and a candidate for NDC. Olusui.
Okay.
So no. And until I was say clear characteristics are emudaho.
Okay.
Man for a canipa no has someone. Woman say new face no or no one in brand.
Okay.
Sir. Enke kan bia eni ho
jo papa ye hwen se minim se wo obi a wugidi pa sa Ghana hia obi a oye practical oye honest oye capable ye misa se akandifo abedi wo mayemu enimu nyina including Nana Akufo-Addo wo mu ni sa qualification we bia na
well unse leadership style edida nsonsono ye ewo na udi domo animu a you can normal me as a leader and then as a manager Eduanaba. Your leadership and your management. Ewo ho no mo. Obi wo ho a ni leadership style no ekonanim esine ni management.
Okay.
Inti make me am example. Rollins.
Okay.
Na ni leadership skills ewo nanim sine the managerial skills.
Okay.
And the people like PV or being the late PV or being more Kwesibo Chenu ne they know for Obeda Samuamo. They were holding the managerial aspect in the power for him. Mebuana.
Okay.
Osha Kufua were both the leadership and managerial skills. No?
Okay.
So engineer I say Kufua or a hands-on person, hands-on leader. So all the details, nitty-gritties, ekum. Enti esono obia ni leadership style o. Osha atamilsa me madwini mu no. Na atamils ni managerial skills no. Ewo nanim esene ni leadership skills. So no. Enti samba kaya obeya no ye mampanyin no. Utimi customs.
No sukura.
Aha. So because no person share mind sikasem no eye. Yes. John Mahama so try say obe combine the leadership skills and the managerial skills. So all no. Nanso no na etosini wo ho no mo. Ebi afi no akonya normal bebre afa no mu ama ne hu no bebre. Well, eno de eduru ho aye beka ho ase. Yes, ubusamia nanado ne leadership skills e won anim esen bia ne managerial skills.
Okay.
So hu no. Sa na me madwene mu no me hu no. Enti esono obia eni na yi. You can practical, honest and capable leadership and managerial skills. You know, and you hear these two near the boom. Na fe no. Yeah, the resources of the state in Ashawonsa, Timamufo, any a Japadi boom, say Fadi Juma, na a man for one tongue. I also use both your leadership and your managerial skills. Baby, auto sinino, no modern say will be piano, and will honor more. So, so I be no dear. We need a strong person with both leadership and managerial skills.
Okay.
So be share all the nitty gritties. Inti minim say 0.001% of GDP. Ebema communities be 100 in sewer, borehole water. As president, maintain ho massa sikano enhwere.
Samum.
Oh yes. Maintain ho massa sikano enhwere because enhwere na communities be 100 no. Omunsu ho nsam ebeyete. But obi ho obeka obedwin say 0.0001% of GDP no isa. In numerical terms no e bibi kitikiti. Enya kitikiti. Say even 10 million Ghana cedis and now 100,000 Ghana cedis. 100,000 Ghana cedis no. A bit me communities be timamu for in Kron Kitua bi mu no. A bit me ama omunsuo.
Okay.
Jadinti na be hwese sesika no. O mine no e be hwere ye. And I be good down the waist. Onya ne sa. Tini nyina form part of capable, practical, honest leadership.
Okay. Papa Yanhwe, would you say no better with me says me boaka say what the penny say which na I can see no emu. Yanhwe one yet TTS one more bano. Say you do want to talk one as ye the mujina brand once near. All chances I was a Jumedi mu anana muntu amu between one. Say no who's the audience.
Adriana by me tempt me. O se social ni beba no.
Sao.
Me mom.
Dey be nam no so beba no.
Men san social way dey me man em fa wo so na ba. No kra ni say me hwe ahwehwe mu no. Ade ni mu nkwa na mu.
Na hu no.
Ade ni mu. Enti no enye se me de me hu ko toto obi hu na aduana ba. flag bearer elections here yebekwe and yeah elections at that for more over 208,000 delegates
okay
betru sabano we hear mu 50% plus 1 no wetimi de edinkunim
okay
so no eno nti obi ani ho a wo hwere di kan se me na me de ya kansie ne ya se we ni there be nza me ka je nza mo yifo no social media no de obi ko abetimi akotena ba bi no atwitwa no ma social media no wo ye ebinum ye post online ono a wotene dem ombe ni pam yunu mi ensebiti wo no create online no mo ato aba na ni ato aba na o se de report aba report ni ni hwe wunim ekuro bi a ye frɛ no pruso
mati dini de ebet benim ba bi o
e won kranza mam wunum Joman kese
minimo
otra busunya
ba bi anwe no fie busunya ba bi anwe no no
yo obi ti wono mu a ono ne telephone kita no ne phone no yam ketwa na kese de wo di social media ye no o enhwe ho o ye delegate oto aba wa obekọ ne nchen no a wo di anidie aba no no akọ ne nchen ne sabi ne kuro kitu ana ne kura se owo no ohu se waba ne nchen no na de anidie ama no no uvize ni kokoro motie no ode be kameo
debi
enti wo mo ti social media no mo de bo mo samrane ne de yenya wo no mfa mo samrane
okay
yazo na mfom no a obi mu gin se obi nka ho no wo mo so afi ye beto aba no be wie no na ye nwa hwe me for example in my TF4 2020 and no me can we with that any 2020 ye kwa abato MPP NDC gin se MPP o ye be ko secure be ye 60%.
Okay.
Meboa.
Sa pepe.
You who the results about parliamentary. You who results about presidential. Uku obi na so koye campaign na nipa na tena ho anadwo dumienu donko no mienu da so mu tena ho na oso otie o. O kasa wie na ato na akoma so a. Okoto aba obi so odebe ni kokro motie be kameo.
Jepi.
Enti no akansie na da ho no emu enafo.
Okay.
Memi hu obia. Adeni mu nko a.
Ena hu no. Ene Johnny Walker say aduana ba good morning. Muni ukriu no. In fact, my adwuma anopai epa monkoso na mehwe mu free sipe timpum. Nana ya wonti ese aduana ba wabo adwuma say ya na ya nyanka yepe na yaka oma no emu ensem wose ohwe ye free kwada so. Azeman so ohwe ye free Azeman Ventures woni krono mu dwa no ene hwe animu ene wo che se baby aga na ya ba beju no partisan no enya de a ebetumi aboaye ye hia nipa wo good policies no ene hia kwasi awu ase ohwe ye efree Abepo Junction Santasi taxi rank ho ona no pay o we free wasi mu ene adwuma the say TBMPP be break 8 no Francis Kaswa Datus ene wo say ohwe ye efree ene wo say o say yemu ene adwuma na yewura KD so omano awodapa Pedro wa Maldina Cruz eso ohwe ye free Tanoso Kesben Junction Indiana Police eho na ohwe ye free Kojo Asempa Furniture West so ohwe ye free edum best morning show na moye no na we ase Kwame Ben ese wotie ye free on the wotie ye free eswame and was say good morning ye hia enipa the seso etise opanyinu a woni no ekasa na yura adenimo na wababedi Ghana so de amaye na wei safo benim mampon and was say yura adenimo tried and tested a Ghana for ehia no beria ye womu na wababedi American anim anase wababedi Ghana anim de ama ma menhwe WhatsApp na weye a champon Kawaguchi Electricals Atonsu station one also ede ne de aba and was say Ghana yehia asumdue ene wono wakasa akoma eto yemu ono so dia wode aba no anopei chief ma yenka jam asem ewo aha akra ye ko edie na wudi ja Ghana ene chitafo a wono ma krado se anopo awio osuomo unmiamfo Francis Adenimo yebedi nachi yesre atiefo se ene de amfa course enti monfa nche pa monfa nche papa
well edianaba medamase ye agenkwa 101.9 media meka kire MPP ma amuye delegate se omunya abotre yesi be break 8 no so ebetimi a break
okay
na di bia nso person set record a yemfa gidigidi ye de abotre mo wani da ho mo aso da ho no mo na ototo akwan niye
okay
ya wose nkabum eba yeku no mo de di kan na fe omampanya kufu ado amemmo no so man sikasem ebetuto ye e de aboa na nu nyina wie a ababe wie se ye the new face and so akokon no na yetimi asete the record say MPP ye baaye no yakọ 12 years yakọ 16 years ewo amemo
okay
eno ena me pese delegates ni nyina ete omo ase ma obi an rashi say o yesi ya kwae dabi obi anfa na nunto form
okay
na yen e beba ni nyina no omo nkari obi an hwe obi asu ene ne ban se kwan ne de ne kwa na media minim say the most suitable person is the new face one etiefo kasa anope ewrade animo madam asipi
yenso yedawo asi epi abusua yene onmiyamfo Francis Adenimo ebrebi atwam na papa yemrahye bibani de mo manfo a wono wa Asantemampon abato empesua nso 2014 onyani so ade hu so obedi MPP ameko nanim na wode wono ma pretumi amamusa nanso wo so wonye mu sade tie bia no MPP ehia kandifu a wo to mu ache wo kamese a eyemese na obehwesa Ghana japade ewo no obetumi atase na wode aboa matememfo ye ho adwoye anase ye ho atoye ena no pay ye ne no edi enkomo no ye beda se ebio se wonmiamfo Francis Adenimo to safre wo papa oje ye so ye tiefo wo chichi benche mu ye da obi biara ase yesre fe course no de ba na ya amfa course eti yesre monfa enche ye pa monfa enche producer say yemfa okay producer say yemfa 5 minutes bi na yenhwe 0204905655 0596248959 we ba che wudi ye de ba bia wo ka se free wada roma hello Mira hello
Melai no money ye producer no say on kangom na line on gano like
ka good e kwara so
ofa oni money abema wate the next president Dr. Laji Mamudu Bawumia ofa alape me bona baso pa no pena delegate ni mne de neko ofa de di onko ma lawyer John Kuma ejeso na sepe jani papa no pono homo de ye pa amena producer so ase ofa ka ho ya twa fa ye ko wa boy ofa yan country NDC for ene omojon domani Mahama as a Ghana for as one sound ya ho de modu ofa Jo Mahama ene the luckiest vice president and the luckiest president I will be the president of a 4.5 years na na Juman so in Ghana for a pamono se papa we ya no wasaba ni papa ma ya da dum so for 4 good years ofa NDC for anti mo bon try say ade ba ko pepe mpa na Jo Mahama be the president
ba che udin ba bia kasa fi wadaro
adana ba
Mira
awo ya Solomon
okay yenti we akra
asate wan kamle na na pe ko ata tu se wa chima ho de jano Mamo wabasopa na ira and no na baso wakatapa na mechache ma wade no kwa bia ana the finance vice president Excellency Dr. Mamudu Bawumia yakupo nshana pa na uti ira ensema woka anto wani so de hu ke betre no so ye na mfa the support ni ya fanta ira Dr. Mamudu Bawumia ti
then it's a do one and you know, of a mechanic, and I am here to my one in the kitchen and then from kind of the corner. None of this is now. I want all man, I'm not going to say, you're about to like Mamma about me also, and it's a model of Popia. And Miami, which is up there your entity, our marriage, people, and your papa, the Magana for and more young money.
Mo obi ahwa community pu pa cho din ba bi aka sef tu ana ro
o tun fo nyanko pa fin bien kan wa no pe
o nyame akọ akofi buachi se so ja na bu
ya min sra o se so de ja isia de bi o pi wa atuma kwa ngoma ne mo maba so ni dwumadi amu na no pe enchi apiesie ene de en fese me kan nyina ne se we position abeto ho a o ma president John Dramani Mahama de ne kwa de en to badi ya de beto das bi mu isi ono bibia ni mu bio wa kwa se Yesu Kristo ka se mo si wi asisi ni fo ne ba na me bi Yesu ne hwi ni me ho yempese me kase Ghana fo nyina ne se John ala koje chematen empani se di obre ni odie afendi wa mansan ya efie mani ade ala koje chematen na sese oba 1 Corinthians chapter 3 verse 1 no o se ye yi obi so kanini a ye ni obi enya no asem nka wo yire ba akukunu na ni so da ho onya abefo e ala koje chematen papa se le da se
o yeso ye da wo ACP producer say eye yamfo ofredu medie no esi ha yatiefo wo chichi mechem ye beda wo bibia asesa no pay maje brani adaje na motie ye ye sole na DJ BIs e de adwuma mre atoaso amaye mo video na ye haya agenkwa 101.9 kasa video so na onepa ebeda so bi